Listen and practice speaking skills. Hi, Mark. How was your weekend?
Hey, Alice. It was pretty good, thanks for asking. I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
Oh, nice. I just relaxed at home and caught up on some reading. Have you been hiking before?
Yeah, a few times. I love being outdoors and exploring nature. It's so refreshing.
That sounds wonderful. I should really get out more often. I've been cooped up indoors lately.
You should definitely join us next time we go hiking. It's a great way to unwind and get some exercise.
I might just take you up on that offer. So, did you hear about the new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yeah, I did. I've been meaning to check it out. Have you been there yet?
Not yet, but I've heard good things about it. Maybe we could go together sometime?
That sounds like a plan. I'm always up for trying new food. Do you have any dietary restrictions I should know about?
No, I'm pretty easygoing when it comes to food. How about you?
Same here. I'll eat just about anything, although I do try to avoid too much spicy food.
Good to know. I'll keep that in mind when we go out. So, what else have you been up to lately?
Not much, just the usual routine. Work, gym, hanging out with friends. How about you?
Pretty much the same. Although, I've been thinking about picking up a new hobby. Any suggestions?
Well, it depends on what you're interested in. There are so many options out there. Have you ever tried painting or photography?
I haven't, but those sound like fun. Maybe I'll give them a try. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. Let me know if you need any tips or advice. I'm always happy to help.
Will do. So, speaking of hobbies, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet, but I was thinking about going camping with some friends. Would you be interested in joining us?
Camping sounds like a blast. I haven't been in ages. Count me in.
Great. I'll send you the details later this week. It's going to be a lot of fun.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
Anytime, Alice. It's always more fun when you're around.
Ah, thanks, Mark. You're too kind. So, what should we bring for the camping trip?
Just the essentials: tent, sleeping bag, food, and maybe some games or activities for downtime.
Sounds like a plan. I'll start getting everything together. This is going to be epic.
Definitely. I can't wait to roast marshmallows over the campfire and stargaze all night.
Me too. It's going to be a weekend to remember.
Absolutely. Well, I should probably get going now. Talk to you later, Alice.
Bye, Mark. Thanks again for inviting me. I'll see you this weekend.
Looking forward to it. Take care.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
No worries, it happens. Looks like we were both in a hurry.
Yeah, I'm running late for work. But hey, at least it's Friday, right?
Definitely. Can't wait for the weekend. Any exciting plans?
Not really, just hoping to catch up on some sleep and maybe binge watch a new series on Netflix. What about you?
Same here, although I might try to squeeze in a hike if the weather holds up.
That sounds nice. I've been meaning to spend more time outdoors myself.
Yeah, it's a great way to unwind and recharge after a busy week. Hey, speaking of outdoor activities, have you ever been rock climbing?
No, I haven't. Is it difficult?
It can be challenging, but it's also a lot of fun. I actually go climbing every weekend with a group of friends. You should join us sometime.
That sounds intriguing. I'll have to think about it. Thanks for the invite, though.
Of course. It's always more fun to climb with others. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and stay in shape.
Yeah, I can see how that would be appealing. I'll definitely consider giving it a try.
So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small advertising agency downtown. How about you?
I'm a software developer. I work remotely for a tech startup based in California.
That's cool. Do you enjoy what you do?
Yeah, I love it. I've always been passionate about technology and problem solving, so it's a perfect fit for me.
That's great to hear. It's so important to find a job that you're passionate about.
Absolutely. Hey, do you like sushi?
Love it. Why do you ask?
Well, there's this amazing sushi place not too far from here. Would you like to grab lunch together sometime?
I'd love to. Thanks for the invite.